These are fruit eaters, means parrot-like beaks. You can see these are vegetarian finches. Let us see the beautiful example of finches. These are the same variety which gave rise to the different variety of the finches. Suppose few of the islands, there were lot of fruits available, so finch has to eat the fruits. In some of the islands, the insects were available, plentiful, so they started eating those insects. Some of the islands, they were dry enough, so they started eating cactus, and some of them, they were full of fruits, but they used to ripen very fast, so the finches started eating the seeds of that fruits. As a result of that, the beak modified themselves. This is a beak, you can see, it has gotten parrot-like beaks. This is the vegetarian finch, then this is grasping bills, the large insectivorous tree finch, then a small insectivore tree finch. You can see the size of the beak and the color of the body. There are different color, light color, dark color body. This is sharp beak ground finch, small ground finches. Means a single species of finch gave rise to these many number of finches over a period of time. This is an excellent example of speciation which Darwin observed. That is why he is called as father of evolution. These are called as ground finches. This is warbler finches. You can see the shape of the beak. These are also known as tree finches because they used to prefer on trees. These are known as tree finches. They used to eat insects and the fruits which were present on the trees. So this is how the speciation process takes place. The another step in evolution, that is evolution by stages. Evolution by stages means evolution in an organism or its organ from the simple to complex form has taken place. Simple to complex in different stages over a period of time is called as evolution. The complexity went up. For example, we can see the development of feathers in birds and development of eyes in animals. Feathers, as you know, they are present in birds, but initially the feathers were seen in dinosaurs. They are reptiles which are no more present on the earth. But initially the feathers originated in reptiles, but they didn't serve the purpose of flight. What was the function then? The feathers in dinosaur, they were used to prevent the heat loss from the body. Prevention of heat loss means it indirectly helped in maintaining body temperature. This was the function of feathers initially. Slowly and gradually, dinosaurs gave rise to birds. Another example of evolution by stages we can see of eyes. The eyes were first developed in platyhelminthes, means planarians. These are the small size flatworms. The eyes are present in the form of eye spots on the top of the animal, but no image can be formed because they are not provided with the structures which are responsible for formation of image. They are simply responsible for detection of light, means they are a sort of photoreceptors. Over a period of time, the next group, that is arthropods, and another invertebrate group, annelids. It includes leech, earthworm, and arthropods includes insects mainly. They have a special kind of eye known as compound eye, and the eyes present in annelids, they are again the form of eye spots. There is no image which can be formed in the annelid's eye. They are present in the anterior body segment of leech and earthworm. They serve the same purpose of photoreception. But arthropod eye is a little developed eye. A image can be formed, but again the clear image is not formed. As a result of this, they can see only the small movement in its object, and they cannot differentiate even colors. Mainly it is used for movement in light and movement in dark. Again, serving a purpose of photoreceptor. There is no clear-cut images formed. But if you move to the higher animals, specifically I am talking about vertebrate group. The vertebrate group, we have got best developed eyes. Means sort of vision is developed. They can see, they can differentiate colors. They can see in night also as well as in day. So this is how the evolution of stages can be considered. Man is the animal present on the earth which is considered to be having the best developed eyes for vision. But initially, again, I am coming to this example, the evolution of eyes can be seen as a development of two eye spots in platyhelminthes, that is planaria. It is the small sized leaf-like animal which is found attached to the leaves in the marshy areas near water. The same example of evolution by stages can be seen in vegetables. The part of vegetable which is useful for man, we can develop that particular part, and the another part which is not useful for man, which we can ignore also. The best example is seen with cauliflower. There are 3-4 varieties of cauliflower in different form, such as one of the cabbage. In cabbage, it is selected for its terminal bud, which is eaten by man. It is there that there is a short distance between the leaves, which makes it eatable for the man. The another example of the same species is kohlrabi. In kohlrabi, it is selected for its swollen stem position. And another species is broccoli. Broccoli is selected for its flower. They show a arrested growth. The flowers, they show arrested growth so that they can be eaten. And cauliflower itself, it is selected for flower clusters, means the sterile flowers, which are edible part of cauliflower. So you can see man has selected different beneficial parts of the same species for its own benefit for the purpose of eating. cauliflower, cabbage, kohlrabi and broccoli. So this is how we can consider that the evolution has taken place in plants as well as in animals. If we compare the DNA of different species, then we can directly estimate how much DNA has changed during the formation of these species. Means if a species form a original species, there is a chances that the genetic material has changed, means the DNA has changed.